First thing you want to do is make sure you're unloaded. We're in good shape. The back of the stock, you've got 2 holes. You want to take a standard straight screwdriver. Got 2 screws in there, you want to remove them. Then you've got a hole in your stock. You want to take a 8-inch screwdriver. There's number 3. Now we're going to be putting a Butler Creek collapsible stock on it. I wrapped it in paracord. Got a swivel sling on it, mount. It's got a storage in the handle. Now you've got to disassemble it before you install it. You want to see how it works. Now you've got an Allen head right here, you want to remove it. You want to push your pin out, and if it gets stuck, take a 9mm hammer, come right out. You want to hold your spring with your finger, come right out. Now you want to separate your pivot arm from your handle, and you've got an aluminum block here. You've got another Allen head in there. You got to remove it. Come right out, and you've got your mounting block that goes on your shotgun. It'll fit in your grip just like that. That's what screws into your shotgun. Like I say, make sure when you do all this, put Loctite on it. And you've got 1 hole. I don't know if you can see it or not. That'll tighten up into your aluminum block. You noticed on your stock, you've got a groove. You got a groove here. You got to slide it in the groove and collapse the spring. It's easier to collapse the spring first and slide it in the groove. And then you can put your pin in. It's easy, best to keep the rounded part of to the top. And you want to keep your rod centered. Same on the bottom, same on the top. Like I say, make sure you Loctite everything.